Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, this is my beautiful girlfriend Kat, just here for a quick video to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and thank you all for the support over the last year. Now 2020 has definitely been a tough year for a lot of people and we're definitely some of the lucky ones. But one thing I've learned about myself is that the harder times of life are definitely the times where I learn more and find out more about myself as a person. So if we can all focus on the positives for now, it means we'll be in a better position to embrace and enjoy the good times when they come back around. Now, my YouTube channel is still continuing to grow, which I really appreciate. And yeah, long may it continue. So yeah, I hope everyone has an epic Christmas day, even though it might not be the exact Christmas day that everyone was hoping to have. And I'll be back with more videos about my classic Fords very soon. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!